Thanks, sir, for inviting me here. In fact, I used to imagine while sitting there that one day I will be invited here to express my experiences. So fortunately, that day has finally come. So anyways, first of all, let me introduce myself. I am Anay Mishra. I belong to Kanpur and I have recently got recommended from 5 AFSB Guwahati. So although I have taken coaching last year from here and got recommended this very year, but I would say that Arun sir was the main person who led the foundation of this success. So sir used real life examples and different techniques that let us inculcate all those OLQs. In fact, we were also not able to identify that when we became that much capable of writing those good stories and to attempt all those VATs, especially the negative ones. So these were the experiences that I experienced here, and I would like to suggest you all one thing also, that all the liberty and freedom that you are enjoying here, you have to just take it wisely. As what I remember, my group used that liberty in order to express all our presentations in this very room, and we expressed about 20 to 30 presentations. So that very greatly helped in order to boost our morale and to gain more knowledge about different things. So, and the second thing is that you'll have to make the group coordination with each other. You will get plenty of time in order to practice lecturate and GDs here, and of course the direct interaction with sir. At any time when you face any type of difficulty, just go directly to sir and he will definitely solve it. But however, the main thing to me is that your self-hard work. No matter whichever coaching you join, the thing should be that you should all will have to work upon yourselves. So if I compare myself with my previous attempt, that's what happened in my previous attempt. I accept that I was not that much prepared. So this time I worked upon my general awareness, GK, so which gave me a boost of morale and confidence. So that's how I was able to clear it. Also, as I have already explained you all that the conducive environment that you are going to enjoy here, the direct interaction with sir is going to definitely help you a lot. And all those work sets, all the homework that you receive here, just take it seriously and practice it hard. So at last I would like to say one thing: rivers may dry, mountains may fly, you all can forget me, but never can I. Thank you.